Hey boys and girls, it's time to have some number sentence fun. So in the Nearpod that I'm gonna go through some of the worksheets in the next couple of slides, just to explain what you're gonna do with these worksheets. And then after you see these next three worksheets, then you'll actually come to a bunch of slides that have these cards on them, and each card pertains to a different slot on this worksheet that we're looking at right here. And before I showed you the different slides, or you got to the slide with all the different cards that look like this, I just wanted to explain what you're going to be doing. So you're going to, at this point, I would pull out this worksheet here, number sentence addition, and I'm going to explain what you do once you get to the slides with these cards on them. So as you can see on this card, there's a letter right here, and what your child will do is they will write the letter that corresponds with the card that they're working on at the time in this area right there. So this card had A, so I wrote an A here. The next thing they'll do is they're going to write a number sentence that would work for the card that they're on. So right now this card says that there is one ball. So for my number sentence, I'm going to write a 1. And all of these are addition number sentences, so then we're going to write a plus sign. And then you'll see how many seashells. There are 2, so the next number you'll write is 2. And then I want to see them write equals. And then they'll have to figure out how many items there are altogether. So you'll count 1, 2, 3, and then they'll write a 3 here. And then they'll go to the next slide on the Nearpod, and it should have a new letter here that they'll write in the next spot. And then there'll be new items down below in the middle of the card, and they'll write a new addition number sentence in the next box. I gave you both sides of the paper because there are actually 26 cards. There's one for every letter in the alphabet. There are only 20 slots here, but they could always flip the paper over and keep going on the back if they'd like, if they're having a good time. If 20 of them is too much, then you can always save it for another time. They can finish it up and just do one side of the paper. But I figured it's really good number sentence practice for them. So hang on to this sheet, and in a few more slides you'll see lots of cards that look just like this, and that's when they'll start using this sheet. Just wanted to explain how to use it. After they go through the last sheet, writing down all the number sentences, and this is going to be their homework for the day, what you do is these all get cut out, all these little number sentences down here, and you find the box that you're going to glue the number sentence into that matches. So this right here, for instance, we would count how many balls there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see, there's only one number sentence where it starts with 4, but let's make sure that it works. And then how many seashells are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, so that says 4 plus 5 equals, what we do is you would cut it out like so, and then you're going to glue it right here, and then they have to count the objects all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and they'll write a 9 here. And that's how you complete the homework. On this worksheet, I'd like you to do the same thing you did yesterday. I'd like you to set up the timer for 3 minutes and have your child go through and see if they can beat how many of these math facts they get done today than they did yesterday. Good luck.